Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we got saw number 11 in the collection, and it's kind of a rare saw. It's a McCulloch D30. You can see the tag here. Mac D30, there we go. Mac D30. They only made this saw for 1 year, from 58 to 59. I think the early ones like this, they don't have an oiler. You think that's an oiler, but that's a joke. You got to hold it in. It's just a black cap that goes over the end of the carburetor while you hold it. And this one is in good shape. In good shape. To get the oiler to work, you'd have to run a 10-to-1 mix, which, no, I ain't gonna do that. I am running it more than my normal 40-to-1, but, and a little bit of oil will come out the weep holes, but not enough for the chain. So I think in later versions they added a manual oiler because people didn't like that. So this one's got run and stop. You can just push the button in and it'll stop. You ain't really got to put it on off. So there we go. It's in good shape. I think it's in real good shape. Good enough. It does have one problem. The clutch cover is broke. Got a piece out of it. I got another one, but it don't have any paint on it. So, I don't know. Not going to use the saw, so I think I'll leave it like this for now. It's good enough to me. Okay. It's got a, I guess, McCulloch bar. And good chain. Bar and chain are all right on this. I'm well pleased with it. We're blessed to have this in the collection because it's like I said, it's a pretty rare saw. Got that center start, which is odd. Alright. If you need any pictures of anything on a carburetor or anything, just let me know. We'll help you if we can. Let's see if it'll crank. I think it will. Okay, there you have it, McCulloch Mac D30. If you like our videos, please help us out by liking the videos and subscribing to our channel. And if you subscribe and leave a comment on something, we'll subscribe you back. But if you don't comment, we don't really know who's subscribing most of the time, so we can't subscribe you back like we should, which to me that's fair. Alright, that's today's chainsaw, number 11 in the collection. McCulloch Mac D30. Thanks for watching. Bye.